Choosing the right mini chainsaw can be a daunting task, especially with so many options flooding the market. You might end up wasting time and money on a tool that doesn't meet your gardening needs or isn't powerful enough for your projects. That's why we've gathered 5 of the best mini chainsaws available in 2026 to compare their features, usability, and overall value. Stick around to discover which chainsaw made it to our #1 spot. Its unique features might just surprise you. Mini chainsaw cordless 8-inch with 2x 5,200 mAh batteries, portable electric chainsaw, automatic oiler, battery-powered small handheld saw. Trees, branches trimming, wood cutting, blue. The mini chainsaw cordless 8-inch is a versatile tool, perfect for homeowners and gardeners looking for a lightweight and portable solution for tree trimming and wood cutting. This saw comes equipped with 2 powerful 5,200 mAh batteries, ensuring that you have extended runtime for those larger jobs. Its automatic oiler helps keep the chain lubricated, which is vital for maintaining performance and longevity. The 8-inch bar is ideal for small to medium-sized branches, making it a practical choice for anyone looking to tidy up their yard. However, while it's great for light to moderate tasks, some users may find the cutting capacity limited for very thick branches. CEEPUY Mini Chainsaw Cordless, gifts for men, dad, father, husband, gardener, cool gadgets for men, 6-inch portable electric chainsaw, small handheld security lock, trees, branches, trimming, wood cutting. The CEEPUY Mini Chainsaw Cordless is a fantastic gift for any handyman or gardening enthusiast. With a compact 6-inch blade, this battery-operated chainsaw is extremely lightweight, making it easy to maneuver for precise cuts. It features a safety lock to prevent accidental activation, adding a layer of security that's especially beneficial for beginners. This chainsaw excels in pruning and trimming smaller branches, providing a clean, efficient cut every time. However, its limited size means it's not the best choice for larger tasks, as it may struggle with thicker tree limbs. Gas chainsaw, 58 cubic centimeters. 2-cycle engine gasoline-powered chainsaw. 18 and 22-inch gas-powered chainsaws for tree cutting, firewood, logging. The gas chainsaw, 58 cubic centimeters, is tailored for those who need a robust tool for serious wood-cutting tasks, such as logging or cutting firewood. Available in 18 and 22-inch bar lengths, this gasoline-powered chainsaw packs a powerful 2-cycle engine, making it suitable for heavy-duty work. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable extended use, while its high cutting speed can tackle thick trunks and branches with ease. This chainsaw is ideal for professionals or avid DIYers who require reliability and power. The drawback, however, is that it's heavier than its battery-operated counterparts and may require more maintenance due to the nature of gas engines. Vigo chainsaw gloves, 12-layer saw protection on left both hand back, cow leather gloves, touch screen. Safety should never be overlooked, and that's where the Vigo chainsaw gloves come in. Featuring 12 layers of protection on the left hand and back, these gloves are designed for those who frequently use chainsaws. They provide excellent cut resistance and are made from durable cow leather, ensuring a long lifespan even in demanding environments. The gloves also feature touchscreen capabilities, allowing you to handle your devices without removing them. Suitable for both professionals and casual users, these gloves enhance safety without sacrificing comfort. However, they might feel a bit bulky to users who prefer a more tactile experience while operating tools. ReliaRoads 16-inch brushless chainsaw, 40 volts, 2x 20 volts max, cordless battery-powered chainsaw kit. Includes 2 chains, compatible DeWalt battery for wood tree cutting and pruning, battery not included. The ReliaRoads 16-inch brushless chainsaw stands out as the top choice due to its balance of power, efficiency, and ease of use. This cordless chainsaw operates on a robust 40-volt system, providing ample power for cutting through larger branches and logs. Its brushless motor ensures durability and longer battery life, making it perfect for both heavy-duty and light gardening tasks. Additionally, the chainsaw is compatible with DeWalt batteries, giving users flexibility and convenience. The included 2 chains enhance its functionality, allowing for quick changes during work. The only downside might be that the batteries are sold separately, which could add to the initial investment cost. Thanks for watching our comparison of the top mini chainsaws for 2026. We hope this guide helps you make an informed decision to find the right tool for your needs. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information on each product. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your go-to chainsaw?